In this video, I'm going to show you how you can play Fortnite here on a Chromebook via these two methods. These are by far the best methods to actually play Fortnite, specifically on a Chromebook. But before we actually dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But the first one is actually going to be through your browser. And this is essentially browser-based Fortnite. This is easyfun.gg. And this is going to be a cloud version of Fortnite Battle Royale. You're going to want to go ahead and open up this browser just like so. And from here, you just have to go ahead and click on play now, just like so. If you have an account, you can play for 6 hours every single day, or you could play for free for 30 minutes. Open that up, it's going to begin loading. It might take a second the first time you do load into it, but you need to go ahead and sign in with your Epic Games account and you'll be able to start playing Fortnite immediately. This is actually a pretty cool way that this works. It's essentially an emulator through a browser, and this is going to work every single time for you. Super simple. As long as you can run Chrome smoothly on a Chromebook, you'll be able to do this method. That being said, the second method is going to be from GeForce Now. Go ahead and head to play.geforcenow.com, hit agree and continue, and what you're going to want to do is select get in and create an account. Now I already have an account, so I'm going to sign in real quick. But once you are signed in, you'll be prompted to choose a free plan or a paid plan. I recommend just the free plan personally. But now you just have to go ahead and select this little menu over here and select games, and it's going to take you to a page that looks like this, and you just got to find Fortnite within the game library. Add it to your library specifically, and all you have to do is hit play. It'll ask you to reconnect your Epic Games account or connect your Epic Games account if you've never had it linked before. And from here, you'll actually be able to play Fortnite here on your Chromebook with smooth FPS and low input delay. But that's it. That's two easy ways to play Fortnite on any Chromebook. If you do have any questions, ask us down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel. Lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.